Right now, Jasmy is trading at an important support level, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you what the next possible move for Jasmy is. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again because I believe that right now might be a really good time to get into the project if you guys haven't already. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and if we take a look at some of the price movement which we have been getting for the past couple of days, you will be able to see that Jasmy has pumped almost about 40 to about 50% from its latest bottom. Now this is some really bullish news for all the Jasmy investors out there because I saw a ton of comments and they were all hateful towards Jasmy and they all thought that Jasmy is completely dead, nothing good is ever gonna be happening with the project ever again. However guys, as you can see, Jasmy is proving them wrong and it is rising and it is moving exactly like we had predicted as well. Now guys, in my last couple of videos I had mentioned to you all that the most important support area, or say the resistance level Jasmy is going to be running into, is going to be this gray line right over here. Now as you can see, we are trading right on that gray line at a price of about 0.0041. Now guys, in my last couple of videos I had also mentioned to you all that the price target which I personally have for Jasmy is this gray line right over here in the immediate short term, because if we take a look at some of the previous action as well, you can see that whenever Jasmy gets to the low price points like these, Jasmy tends to pump up towards the upside because there is not enough volume in these areas. I personally believe right now what we are witnessing is just a short momentum break, and as soon as we, as soon as like couple of days go by, I do expect Jasmy is going to be pumping up towards the upside and giving us those huge gains towards the upside. Now guys, if we take a look at some of the important resistance levels, they practically still remains the same. Now as of this moment, the important resistance level for the shorter and for the medium time frames is this blue line right over here, which was also one of the latest peaks for Jasmy, and I personally believe that right now Jasmy has a really good opportunity to cross above it and we might see a rally very soon. We can also basically tell this all move in Elliott wave counts as well. So if we take this bottom as a starting of the Elliott wave structure, you can say that we pumped up in a wave number 1. Right now we are witnessing a minor pullback towards the downside. After that we are going to be pumping up towards the upside, come towards the downside, and then again test this resistance level once again and even move upside if possible. I believe that is the most likely scenario Jasmy is going to be running into. However, only time is going to be telling us how the things are going to play out. By the way guys, the overall crypto markets are looking really good. I mean, if we check out Bitcoin right over here and if we check out Ethereum, which I'm just going to be showing you in a second, they are moving really well. If you check out the MACD indicator, you can see that we are still getting some buying pressure, and even though the buying pressure which we got today is just slightly lower than what we got yesterday, you can still see that the buying pressure is the highest which we have gotten for the past month or so. Now this is some really bullish news for all the Jasmy investors out there because market sentiment is looking more bullish than ever as of this moment. I do expect some higher prices for Jasmy, and only time will be telling how much the markets are going to be moving towards. Now, if I show you all Bitcoin as I was just talking about, you can see that recently Bitcoin pumped towards the upside, and this was one of the reasons why we saw this major increase in all the crypto projects out there. So if we take this, so basically Bitcoin pumped from almost almost like 24,800 to now at almost 30,000. Now this shows us that we have got a 24% move for Bitcoin, and this is really huge because you guys already know that Bitcoin is a high cap, and whenever high cap tends to pump like these, we often see altcoins follow similar pattern and they pump up even more. So things are looking pretty bullish for the markets in the shorter time frames. We are up against an important resistance level right over here, because if we zoom in on the chart for Bitcoin, you will be able to see that this price point of 30,000 right over here is the separating area between the bull market and the bear market. Like, let me just zoom out of it right over here. You can see that first time when we got closer to this mark, we saw some resistance light over here, but after that we pumped up towards the upside and saw this basically the Bitcoin bull market. Then we came down towards the downside, retested this level, and then we again pumped up towards the upside, forming this major high, or say the most all-time high Bitcoin has ever gone through. Now when we came down, you can see that the important resistance level was this level again, and ever since then we have been in a constant bear market rally, where we even dropped by about 47% at the lowest. I believe right now we are at a similar position where we can be going anywhere. However, if we take this bottom right over here, you can say this was practically a wave number 1. We came down in a wave number 2. We pumped up in a wave number 3. We came down in a wave number 4. And right now we are preparing for this push towards the upside, because if we see some multiple candles closing above this line right over here, you can be expecting some really high prices for Bitcoin and for the crypto markets in general as well. So the crypto markets are looking good, and I think it's a good time to make money. However, guys, if you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, recently in my trade signal group, we have been getting really profitable. I mean, just take a look at some of our trades which we had taken. So we got a profit of 456% on one of our recent trades, profit of 430%, profits of 258%, and if I scroll above, you will be able to see that the list goes on and on. Now guys, if you want to join my trade signal group, the link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, but I truly believe that the value you guys will be receiving is beyond any of your expectations, and you guys can practically, 10 to 20x your money if you just follow along my trades. Now I know that sounds a little bit too much, but this is what we have been able to achieve in my trade signal group, and that is why we are slowly growing this community. So if you guys want to join in, the link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. I am not really opening this to the public, so only a few more members are going to be able to join. And if you want to be the lucky one, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible and join in, because in this community we have some of the smartest traders out there, and we are building our portfolios every single day. So let's say, if you had joined like 2 days ago, you would have probably made profit on this trade and on this trade and on this trade. However, since you're joining now, you have missed out on these trades, but no need to worry, because this is something which we do every other day or so. And if you guys join in, I can assure you that the next profitable trade is coming really soon. And as of this moment also, I'm looking for a new entry into multiple projects. So right now is a really good opportunity to come in. Even if you have little money to start trading, I personally assure you that I will do my best so that you can grow your income portfolios and you can get perfect while trading cryptos. Now, apart from the trade signal, guys, once you join my trade signal group, you will also be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities. You will also be getting access to my personal portfolio, and you can also chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto space and are making some huge part of money in the space as well. Now, if I show you all some of the results, you will be able to see that recently one of our members closed a trade with 122% in profit. Now, this is some really good stuff, and I mean, this is something which we do on a day-to-day basis. So you not joining right now just means you're delaying your success. I personally believe that if I had opportunity like this when I was starting out in crypto, I would personally just hop in on the trade and try to make some money while I still can, because as I mentioned to you previously as well, right now the market is shifting from the bearish market to a bullish market. So predicting the market and basically analyzing the market is really easy if you guys know what you are doing. I personally know what I am doing, and that's why I have been able to be so successful with my crypto investments. And that's why I'm urging all of you guys as well to join in my fractional group as soon as possible and make money with me and grow your income portfolios, and basically live the life you always wanted. And yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.